Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to make a group chat on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make group chat in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Character AI app just like this. After that, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto one of the chats just like this. And after tapping on it, tap onto its profile icon just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find View Character option. Now select it. And finally, here you can find the Create a New Group Chat just right here. Now select it. Now to create the group chat, simply add the person or chats that you want to add just like this. And tap on to Create Group Chat just right here. And now you can see the group chat is now created. And that's it. This is how you can make group chat in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.